Lysergic acid diethylamide, LSD, is a fascinating chemical even if you don't count all the artists and creative people who swear by it, and I'm one of them. I am Aaron Freeman, an Excitable Ape, with your daily dose of science-y optimism. One of the fascinating things about LSD is that it is undetectable in the bloodstream within about half an hour after its ingestion. Yet, its effects last for 12 hours, 18 hours, sometimes even longer. Thanks to some recent Christological images, neuroscientists have found that the LSD molecule gets trapped inside the brain. Because of the molecule's shape, it gets trapped inside the receptor of a neurotransmitter called serotonin. It not only gets trapped because of its shape, but then the serotonin receptor itself folds over the LSD molecule, trapping it further still. This may not only explain why people of my generation were able to trip through an entire series of Pink Floyd albums, but one study may have some really useful pharmaceutical applications. If researchers can make other chemicals as sticky as LSD is, and as attractive to receptor folding, it could allow for much lower doses of medicines, since the effect of those doses could last for a much longer time. It could turn out that LSD is involved not merely in the production of great music and fabulous consumer electronic products, but genuinely better medicines and better health for us all. And that's really trippy, man. Thank you immensely much for watching, beloved sibling. It always blows my mind when you watch all the way to the end. I post new sciencey optimistic videos every Monday through Friday. If you enjoyed this one, please like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, excitableape.com, and share with someone you know who might themselves enjoy some sciencey optimism. I remain Aaron Freeman, an Excitable Ape, and until we meet again, I hope you have a fabulous time as you continue to science the day.